everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Gina. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Wagwan, happy Saturday and a happy Sabbath to all Sabbath keepers. How na do. Let us get straight down into the video. All right, my loves. All right. May I have a little thank if you sing for you before I go down in the video, my loves. By the way, I want to pay attention to what going out here. I want to say the thing get serious out here. Eh? I want to see the levels what the people them go down to now. No, sir. I want to say all campaign, the people them are campaign, say the lady if you go and walk house. No, sir. My loves, it's sad. Hey. Oh, help me sing that song here. I know a girl, Donna is her name. Since she dropped Dwayne, he's never been the same. I don't know, Donna, why you do it to him? Oh, Donna, why you do it? No, Donna, no, Donna. No, Donna, no, man, no, Donna, no, Donna, you got to do something. Donna, you got to do something, Donna. It too much now, man, it too much. Mr. Fletcher, sir. Mr. Fletcher. Yes, like a thorn in the human backside in Dwayne. So Dwayne, all because you never get a chance to have your way. And this your resort to, sir? No, Mr. Fletcher, sir. Mr. Fletcher is like a thorn in the woman behind wall. My loves, Mr. Fletcher now, you know, come like a little worm, then we got the pit in them backside gully. Yeah. When they go to go lay and I left the baby them down the pit and them a walk around and I dig them behind, my loves. You know, here say they have worm back in the days now. Granny used to draw for Tyrax and the herb. You don't know the herb in a little paper something, my love. While like a brownish, yellowish something, where then drag you if you drink when you have worm, and then get the Tyrax, smell of taste bad in the backside. And they used to do that, you know, when summertime are done. Yes, when the summer holiday are done and the mango crop season are done, you name up this whole heap of mango, then decide that they are going to purge you. Yes, and then give you the Tyrax, and then give you the herb, and then give you the Tyrax. I don't remember what time if a moonshine or a dark night, a full moon or a new moon. Which one of the time them, my love, which one of the moon them? Full moon or new moon, one of them moon they then give you, my loves. Yeah, man, once their worm good, they go lay, my love, they put them start walk around and dig them behind them, catch itchy bam, my loves. Do we know you're coming like a little worm there in the woman behind? Yeah, man I lie. Do we know you're coming like the little worm them now? You know that you just tuck down in the woman behind and dig her, so dig her left, right, and center. And my loves, this is not a joking matter. I don't know come here and laugh today, because I not get on a joke today. Today, me serious. It is not no joking matter today, my loves. Me have a question to ask you now that Donna who you? And who you, man? Donna, who are you? Donna, you need to reveal yourself to we. Who are you, Donna, go? Who you be? Because clearly you're in a disguise. You're undercover. We don't know you. Me feel like I say you're somebody great. And you come out here in a disguise. This lady at the charity, I bake her like a cake. I do a little office attendant work and so. You come out here, you know, this ordinary woman. And that we see, you know, we see this ordinary little woman. But it come like I say, yes, somebody great. I don't know, cause not evil vibes cartel haters them me not see. I go so hard. I try to tear him down and bring him down. No, Donna, you need to reveal yourself. Donna, you need to reveal yourself, my love. We need to know the truth, Donna, out here. Because me can't understand within myself. An ordinary little woman like myself, yeah. I cause so much distress in a people's life. You make hundreds of people happy. You make hundreds of people comfortable. Well, thousands. Make I say thousands. Because, I fear give people to make them happy and comfortable. Just by you coming out here on your platform and being yourself, you make hundreds of people, thousands of people happy and comfortable. Just by putting a smile on them face, you make them happy and comfortable. So you make thousands of people happy and comfortable. Thousands of people stress free. Just come in by your live and can sit down and watch your video. You don't know where the live are going to turn out. It can start off smoother and rocky, and it can start rockier and smooth. You don't know if you're going ball pan it, or you don't know if you're going laugh. When you go pan Donna go live, you don't know what to expect. Right? But you out here and make so many people smile. It's hard for no say. You are cause so much distress in other people's lives as well. Just because of the good way you do. Just because you come out here and surpass all of what them are trying to do in all these years, and you do it in such short period of time. All me see you do out here are good. And yet it affects so many people. I don't understand. We sit back and we watch you. You come past social media. Well, you've been past social media from way before 2019, but you rise to fame in a 2019. Am I right or am I right? You do your thing and you start up your little charity, a charity that was not planned. You never sit down and put your hand on your jaw and say, I wonder if me decide say me I go start help people. If you could have give me a bus in a life. You know me I go try it though, cause you know that sitting here can give me a bus, All me have to do I go video the people them and put the video out there and make people a foreign see them and reach out to them and help them. Me I go do that and see if me can get a bus. I wonder if it could have worked for me though. No, I know not like that. I know not like that. And everybody know the story. I the same baking where she I don't know. Cause the charity if it start up. I don't hear that the story the over and over and over again. Me not have to go over it. It wasn't planned. It just happened. With just one lady we want to support our business. And because of that one lady, there is a planka shop. Because of that one lady, it costs people to get houses, furnish them, tuition fee pay. Some get businesses, medication, all kind of something. All because of that one good deed. The world know Donna go. She come out here. She, build a fan base. People grow up to love her. Some say them did love her and them turn back a past. Them never love her again. And some of them were just haters from day one. But if you no look into it, my loves, if you no look into it, all of the ones them will no see a team up now, Were once in Lady D's corner. All of them, once upon a time, did in a Donna corner until them branch off. Even T-Lady. Because listening to Lady D's story of T-Lady know Auntie Donna before enough away. T-Lady know Auntie Donna before enough away. Yeah, them used to communicate before Planka shop. That's why my loves. When me know Lady D in a 2019. Me remember exactly when Shan come on the program. But the same day Shan come on the program, at the same day, me start follow Lady D. Then type there over IG she there. And me go through the whole of our video them after that. Because me did like Sharika. Me did like Sharika vibes. And Sharika are the one who introduced Shan to the program. And when me looking at the 2019, they don't in a September, me see Lady D post up T-Lady over there with one long scroll over there. I wish her happy birthday. Hear me now to myself. But backside, Auntie Donna know big shot people, man. Me never know say Auntie Donna know famous people. Hey, T-Lady, me didn't have you as big shot, T-Lady, me didn't have you as famous smaddy. Yeah, T-Lady, me didn't have you as top smaddy, T-Lady, yeah. Me didn't have you T-Lady like smaddy, like up in a skitty them category there, so yes. And there's somebody have your T-Lady. There's somebody have you up at the eye category there. Yeah, girl, up there so chin didn't have you. But for whatever reason, you can't stand Lady D. And you develop such an hate for her. You just come out here call Lily down yourself, so. You just come out here call Lily down and water down and dilute yourself, so you T-Lady. No man, anyway, when I talk about tea lady in this here video, I wish part me reach again, my love, because my chain a talk break a while ago. I wish part me reach again. Alright, me not remember when me reach, but fast forward now to 2025. We are talking about in a 2025 now. We're speaking on the present. So now we in a 2025, you know, the lady rise to fame 2019. I don't know a lot of people will rise to fame. I just want 15 minutes of fame. In a couple months or so, them wear off. Nobody not talk about them again. Them done for. Nobody no want hear anything more about them. Them get them time, then do them time, allow somebody else to get them time. From 2019, now it's 2025. Lady, the name out here still a ring up like cellular. She maintain her pride, she maintain her honesty, she maintain her dignity. Not a single soul out here call her thief, except the people them crossing so. And all these years of calling her thief, them can't come with no proof. Say the proof, yeah, say she thief, same thing. See the proof, yeah, say she a chop the line. See the proof, yeah, say she a scammer. All I know, no proof. And despite the fame where she rose to, my love, become established, she a work for corporate and all these things. God blow good breeze span her, things are going for her. Donna not have to give you nothing. She not have to pray for you or nothing for you get little her blessing. Just call her name and little her blessing, just dash with you. So why not think the haters them a call her name so enough? As much as them a hater, them a get blessing too. Right, and despite all of that, I still see her as an ordinary person. Still I breathe the same air. The one moonlight share for the whole hour. The same sunlight is share for the whole hour. Whether you're in a high category or a low category. We take in the same oxygen. And the day when we pass away, the whole hour we are going to get our little hole in our box. We don't carry nothing with we. When we are like and God take back a little oxygen from we don't know nothing we are going back here. The whole of us will be going down. It's just that some of our box might expensive more than some, but we still going to end up in a box and come go worm a gun near out we cock a hole. So to me, she's still an ordinary smarty like myself, yeah. Now, them people, yeah. We become haters. Them are the same one who come out here come say, she are no God. Donna is no God. Then if Donna is no God now, you know come with reason man to man, woman to woman, girl to man, man to girl. If she are no God, cause to we over here, so she is no God. You understand? She are no God. And to Uno are the same thing. But she are no God, and yet she control the whole of Uno life, not some of Uno life, not half of Uno life. Not 3/4 of her life. The whole of her life, she control it. She have so much powers over Uno to the point where she dare also mind her business. She not call Uno name. She not think about Uno. She not mention, not even shades she no fling for Uno how she no member Uno. Yet she have so much power and control over Uno. Well, just by the sound of her name, Uno get angry. Uno get upset. She control Uno emotionally. She control Uno mentally. Uno just want to hear or see something about her and instantly outburst. Uno get angry. Uno get upset. Uno take it to Uno platform. Uno start cuss. Uno no see say she control Uno. Uno no see how much she control Uno emotions. Not a day no pass. What Uno come on the media and get upset. All because of something where she might do, or Uno might hear something. It affect Uno mental how to run out. It's like I say, Uno can't find no peace within Uno self. Some Uno have sleepless nights, restless nights. If Uno even go on bed, Uno kick on, Uno turn on, Uno toss. Every lock, Uno, yeah, I mean, Uno stay the woman. Some Uno can't keep Uno bed in the center of the room. Because how she make Uno kick and toss at night time, Uno might end up drop through the floor. Late hours at night, wee hours of the morning, right through the day. Someone a Uno depend her name. Why Uno make this woman here take over so much aspect of Uno life that it affect Uno daily living? It has show up on some of Uno physical appearance. My God. And then Uno say Donna no God. It's serious, man. It's serious. Uno need therapy. It get too serious if Uno reach this point in our life where one woman can affect you so much. You don't need help. To how serious it be now, my loves. To how serious it be now, them realize it. One smarty now go do it. Because all of them we are doing try individually and in our work. So what them have to do now, a farm alliance, team up. If one now go cut it as much as we not like each other, we can't stand each other, make the whole of we just come together for the cause, yeah. Because we have to bring her down. And that's the thing there, my loves. And that's the thing reach, brethren. So them need an army. They try to bring down one smaddy. One they get smaddy, my loves. Them need an army. Me I talk to my love and me I look into the whole thing. And it's serious. It's sad, it's serious. This is not a joke thing no more. If one smaddy can take up so much of your mental space, you don't need help, hombre. It's sad to sit down and watch this. But my question to you, Donna, go you, mama. Me don't know if you see all of this, but me sure you are here. You might not hear everything in a details, but you probably hear bits and pieces from a third party. Are you going to sit down there and allow these people to tarnish your brand, tarnish your name, where you work so hard to build? The same way you have positive influences, you have negative influences as well. And as a platform holder, when you're out here talk, you don't know who will listen to you. You understand? You don't know who are show interest in the things them way you say, whether you're saying good or you're saying bad. The same way how the good platform them draw people of all different nations and characters are the same way the negative platform holders them do as well. And as we say, we don't know who are watch we when we depend on platform. Any little smarty cannot pass over there, lady. Forget the ones them own what the truth. You understand? Forget the ones them who already know say a lie, them a tell pa you. Them a take your things them and them a twist it to suit for them narrative and put it out there. They draw like-minded people like themselves to come listen and believe. Any little stranger can pass by and stop and decide to listen and believe the Tory them because they make it sound so believable. And like I said, you don't know who is who. All of a sudden, remember you up in a big forehead, and all of a sudden people start interrogate you left, right, and center. All kind of thing take place up there with you. Because of the lies them where them go on them platform, they go here. Remember, them don't know your friend dear one. Them don't know the truth about you. Them don't know who is Donna go. A pass the 8 of them platform and decide to go listen and gain an interest in the things them where them a do and decide to say, this sound interested. This sound interesting. This sound like I said as something or somebody what we must look into. And then them start do all kind of thing for dig up for you behind now. Yes, you might have your proof them, lady Dika. You say you have your proof them sit down pan. Yes, you will have your proof them. But are you willing to go through this? You're willing to allow them to make all them a thing upon to you? Remember you know say, are you same one say you don't want no bloggers defend you? You don't want a blogger call up your name because bloggers are instigator. Them a do it for them own personal use. Them a do it for them own benefits. But even if them a do it for them own benefits, the blogger them are the one them where they everywhere. And at them highlight the haters, them a make it be known that they are haters, them up to no good. Them a try drag you down and tear you down. When the blogger out there a do this. And then them type of people, they now a go round and I say then, if this your woman is so good, and this your woman is so honest, how come nobody no out here a lobby fear? How come nobody no out here a stand up fear? Some of the proof them where you no have lady the bloggers them have it for proof say. A team up, a cook up, a try if bring you down. A bloggers have them the same thing there. You not have them the same thing there because you not go nowhere. The same bloggers them will have somebody proof them where you need. Me no say if you come out here come cuss them and lift up your frock over your head, me love, and show them you're behind. And that's why they have laws. Deal with your thing legally because it is getting too much to the point now where this your man here I say, you figure work house. And him a work figure and him a work for your work house. Him a gather him people them, him a gather him disciples them. And true, you know I try so hard for people to call your name on social media, which now go happen anytime soon. Because whether you like it or not, your name is going to be calling. And bloggers not have to instigate nothing for your name call. There are people out here who can't stand for see your growth. Them can't stand for see your success. Them can't stand the fact so you come out here in a such short period of time and make a name for yourself. Them a go come out for you on a daily anyways. Whether bloggers attack or bloggers not attack, them a go come for you same way. And that them want for the bloggers them silent so them can have them way with you. But you see, true me I no Jackie Chan. I am not Van Damme. I am not Jet Li. I can't defend myself. Me can't defend you. Me just basically come out here and see the things them and me talk about them. For me can't afford to come out here and trace out then go outside and then trace out back for me go outside and then you over this up on the next hand now. I say are the bloggers them are the problem. You understand? So me just a sit down and listen and look. And if me want to talk about it, me will come talk about it and give me 2 cents and so. But a full time now for you do something, lady D, full time because these people not stopping. Until you make an example out of one of them, you not go tap, baba. You not go tap. You work too hard for your DMG and you're name bad, my love. But have malicious people come here and tear you down, send you right back down the ground. But at the end of the day, you must know, you say the Lord will fight your battle. But the same Mr. Lord, we say him we fight we battles, him go back, go say, you know, God help those who help themselves. So maybe Mr. Lord, you understand me, lady D. Sit down and wait for you take a step and then him will push your hand from there. So, but if him not see you do nothing, you understand me? He might go just sit down and look upon you and now and then he might give you a conk in your forehead and ask you if that him did make you fat. Or that me did make you fat. So sometimes you have to start the journey and the Lord will continue it. He will help you and will give you the strength, lady D. But all of them sitting here when me see you go on with your name out here, lady D, it don't look good, ma. It don't look good, baba. And the way and all me can say, sir, may God help you. That's all. That's all me can say, Mr. Fletcher, sir. May God help you. Yes, my dear children. Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And if you reached this part of the video and you haven't liked it as yet, touch that like button. Show a girl some love. Show a girl some support. Peace out. Much love. Bless up. Later. Bye-bye.